Okay, Spy Ninjas, Regina locked herself in her room because she just found out the mom that she's been talking to is a Project Zorgo hacker.
And she's super mad at you, Daniel. Watch out.
I'm the one who erased her memory when she joined Project Zorgo.
Regina, can you turn your music down?
You've been in there for so long. We're worried about you. We're gonna come in. Hello?
Oh, she's sleeping.
Oh, that's why she didn't hear us.
How is she sleeping with this loud music? Let me turn it off.
Regina? Regina, are you okay? I know you're probably feeling really hurt right now and really sad and you don't know what to think because the person you've been talking to is not really your real mom. But I just wanted to let you know, Chad and I really care a lot about you. And Daniel too.
Oh wait, don't mention my name right now. It's not.
Lie detector guy cares about you too. So can you please just come out and we can go get some food together? Regina? Regina? I'm just gonna turn you over, okay? Regina?
What?
Wait, Mr. Squiggles!
What?
It's so thick!
Regina tricked us!
Bubble wrap?
What?
Where's she? Hello?
Regina, just her bear!
She's not in the room anywhere?
Where'd she go?
The window's unlocked.
She didn't sneak out the window?
No, they're closed.
When would she have snuck out of here? We've been standing in front of her door the whole time.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
music has been so loud, we just assumed that she just wanted some privacy and we just want to leave her alone.
Do you think she did one of her disappearing tricks again? Just poof, she's gone?
Oh my
She hasn't
God.
done that in a really long time. Regina!
Regina!
Where are you? Was she outside?
She's not in the backyard.
Oh no.
Wait, the door's open! The door's open! She must have left!
We gotta go after her. Come on, let's go.
Go.
Regina!
Regina!
Where are you?
Regina!
Regina!
Where'd she go?
Regina, where are you?
She must have ran away, you guys!
Since we don't know where she went, we gotta split up. So, I'm gonna go search every nook and cranny of the safe house. Maybe she's hiding somewhere from us. Maybe she's just mad, okay?
All right, well, I'm gonna stay out here. I'm gonna search by nearby parks or like chicken nuggets places or something.
Okay. And I'm gonna go home and check the security cameras and see exactly where she went.
Okay.
Good luck, everyone.
Okay. Guys, I'm here at the park looking for Regina. Regina! Regina! Hello? Gosh, where is she? Wait. Guys, look at this. Look at the scrunchie. This is Regina's scrunchie right here. She must be really close. I wonder why she took it off though. Okay, guys, keep an eye out. Regina! Whoa. Wait a minute. Did you guys see that? I'm gonna zoom in. Is that C3C merch? That looks like the same shirt that Regina was wearing yesterday. I wonder why she took it. Whoa. Oh my gosh, guys, that hacker just took Regina's shirt and it looks like she left a note there too. So maybe she was leaving a note for me or Chad to tell us where she's going. She probably won't want to leave a note for Daniel. I know she's kind of mad at him right now. I gotta get that note to find out where Regina is right now.
Okay, Daniel, I'm gonna go search the house and search her room.
Security cameras.
Okay, great. We'll be back up in a second. Here's Regina's room. Regina, are you in here? I did not check underneath her bed. Regina! Nope, she's not under there. Oh, where could she be? Our Spy Ninja poster. Look what she did to Daniel's face. She drew a poop on Daniel's face. Oh man, she is really mad at Daniel. Wait a second.
Gotta follow that hacker. Okay, he's right there, guys. He's like reading the note or something.
Well, would you look at that? A note to the Spy Ninjas saying she's gonna leave. But that's what I would do if I was with the Spy Ninjas. I'd leave and get out of there right away. They wouldn't see me in there for long. At least I got this nice shirt though.
Spy Ninjas, did you guys hear that? It sounds like Regina is leaving the Spy Ninjas. And did you guys see that? The hacker ripped the whole entire note up, but he put it in his pocket though. So I gotta get that somehow. Maybe Regina left a location where she's gonna be at.
Okay, let's look at the security cam footage. Maybe Regina's still at the safe house. Maybe she found a really cool hiding spot in here and she didn't run away. Let's check the living room cam. Okay, let's rewind. Oh wait, look, there's me, Chad, and V outside the secret room. We're vlogging our last video. Oh my gosh. Regina's opening the door. Are you serious? She's walking right behind us. What the heck? How did we not notice that? Where is she headed? Oh, she has her backpack full of her items, her big bread loaf, her stuffed animals. Oh, she's headed out the front door. V was right. She's She definitely ran away from home. She's so mad at me. I know I'm the one who erased her memory. We were both in Project Zorgo together, and I really don't remember doing it at all, but the leader must have instructed me to go and fill up the room Regina was in with B235. But I don't remember that. They must have used the neurocontagion system on me, because if you look at the footage, I was speaking so weird, like a robot or something.
You are officially a Project Zorgo member.
They mind control people, they erase people's memories, they're horrible. All the good times with Regina being a spy ninja, they might be over now. Remember that time me and Regina were handcuffed to each other for 24 hours? And she got really annoyed at me, kind of like how she's annoyed at me right now. But eventually she forgave me, right? So maybe that'll happen again.
Okay, guys, let's go do this. There's the hacker.
Hello? Yeah, I found a note over here at the park. Well, anyways, come over here. I need some help and some backup.
He left a little note right there. He dropped it. Let's try to be a spy ninja and quietly get it. Guys, that Project Zorgo hacker didn't even hear me. But here's the note that Regina left. It says, "Dear Chad and V," not Daniel. Thank you for all you've done for me and accepting me into the Spy Ninjas. You guys are family to me, but I need some time away to figure out who my real family is. I hope you understand. If you really need me, I will be making my way to... You guys, it got torn up! To where? Where's she going? Oh my gosh, is she really leaving the Spy Ninjas? Gosh, it seems like she needs a break to figure out who her real family is. But I thought we were just like family. The Spy Ninja family, you know? Wait. Did you guys hear that laugh? That hideous, annoying laugh? Over there! Oh my gosh!
Let's do a front kick. Nice. Let's do a jab and a straight.
Wait a second. I've been suspicious about this room for a really long time, and when we finally got a chance to go inside here, it was very suspiciously plain and simple. Now I could really investigate this room and see what she's hiding. But I shouldn't do that since she's not here. That's just rude. And I should be trying to find her. Oh, you know, while we're here, I haven't tried the safe yet today, so thanks to all you spy ninjas who are leaving comments, helping us decode what the safe passcode is. Kaylee left me a really good passcode who thinks it's 1753 because on September 20th, the hacker said 1753. Let's see if that's it. Enter.
Incorrect. Try again in 24 hours.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, 24 more hours, we can try again.
I recognize that annoying laugh anywhere. It's PC9! But who is he with? I gotta get my spy essential kit here. Binoculars.
Oh, that's a good kick. Ooh.
Wait a minute. That looks like Regina. Wait, why is she wearing that? Where's her spy ninja gear? She looks all emo and stuff. Do you guys know what emo is? Emo is like when you're dressed all dark and you wear all dark makeup and your state of mind is all dark.
Oh.
There you go, Regina. She just kicked PC9.
All right, very good. That's good enough.
Wait, did they just high-five each other? Are they friends? Is PC9 training her right now?
We're taking a break from the Spy Ninjas right now, especially Daniel.
Yeah, he sucks.
He does suck. I never want to see him again.
She's hanging out with the wrong crowd right now. I gotta stop this. PZ4 and PZ9 together? That's not good. We need to bring Regina back. I gotta call Chad.
Daniel, how's everything looking on your end?
She definitely left out the front door, Chad, and she never came back.
Can you see where she went on the security footage?
No, she went down the street, and then that's all I can see. By this point, she could be so far away, we might never see her again.
Oh, man. My phone.
Is it Regina?
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 It's V.
V.
Hey, should be happy that V's calling.
Okay.
V, what's up?
Chad, I found Regina. She's at the park. She looks all emo right now. I need you to come here right now. But don't bring Daniel. She's really angry at him.
Okay, yeah, I'll leave Daniel here. I saw that she drew a poopy face on his poster.
Wait, what?
I'll show you later, Daniel. I'll be right there. Daniel, you stay here. Keep investigating the security footage. I'll be right there, V. Here I come.
She's so mad at me. I mean, me and her, we're in the same boat. I don't know who my family is either.
I can't believe Regina is joining PZ9. She's taking away. Oh, Chad, you're here.
Oh my gosh.
Look at her.
Regina, you're right. She is totally all emo.
I know.
We gotta convince Regina to join the Spy Ninjas again, V.
Yeah.
We told Daniel that she's here, right?
Yeah.
We need to make sure he doesn't show up right now because she's so mad at him, she'll never join the Spy Ninjas
Yeah.
again if he shows up. So
Yeah.
let's call him just to remind him to not show up right now. 'Cause
Yeah.
That'd be really bad.
If I could just find a way to talk to her and have her actually really listen to me. It's V.
Daniel, we're at the park right now. Regina's with PZ9, but I just want to emphasize the part that you should not come here because Regina's really mad at you.
Exactly. She's all emo right now. If she sees you, she'll probably just get really even more mad.
Wait, she looks like what?
She's in her emo stage right now.
Oh, okay. You know what? I'm gonna come and I'm gonna fix everything.
No, Daniel. No, you can't fix it. You can't fix it, Daniel.
Yeah.
No. I know I can do it. I'll see you soon. Bye.
But
No, wait, no.
Oh,
God.
Daniel,
Is
just...
he gonna even listen to us?
I don't. He better not show up. Okay.
Gosh, no one's listening to us right now.
Anyway, let's go up there and talk to him.
Oh my gosh, Regina's with PZ9? And she looks, what did V say? Regina's dressed like emo now? That's so weird. What even is emo? You know what? I have to make her like me again. Maybe if I look just like her, it'll be more relatable and she'll actually listen to what I'm saying. Let's go on Amazon here. Let me see if I can buy an emo costume and maybe that'll allow me to really connect with her. Amazon.com, emo costume. Okay, okay. Oh, all right, these look good. All right, let's buy this one, same day delivery. Okay, all right, this is perfect.
Regina! Get away from Regina, PZ9!
What?
No, what are you doing here? PZ9, he's trying to teach me how to be bad.
No, how to be better.
Better? What are you talking about, Regina? Why are you hanging out with the bad crowd?
It's who I am now.
Why are you dressed like this? Why are you in dark clothes? You're looking like a PZ9 wannabe right now. We
Doesn't
don't.
she look fantabulous?
No, she does not. Get away from her.
It's not a phase. This is who I really am.
She's her own person. She can do whatever she wants. So maybe you should just leave her alone, huh?
With your bad influence, PZ9, you don't want to be hanging out with this guy right here. You don't want to be that. You want to be back with the Spy Ninjas. We're the good guys. You're not a bad guy, Regina. He's the bad guy.
Maybe you don't even know her as well as you think you do.
Regina, I went through my emo stage too when I was in high school. I wore like combat boots and dark clothes and all that, so I know how you're feeling right now.
I mean, I guess so, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think you look really cool like this, so you can come be a spy ninja and you can look like that. That's great. I like it.
Yeah, maybe I do feel more at
No,
home.
being emo is a lifestyle. It's not a phase.
Just come home with us, you know?
Yeah, you know what? I like them.
Yeah.
Sorry, PZ9.
Yeah. Come back home. Wait. Oh no. Oh my gosh. No. Look over there, Chad.
What is this?
Oh no.
What is this? Daniel!
Hey guys, I'm here.
What the heck are you wearing?
Daniel, what are you doing here? And what are you doing? We told you not to come.
It's okay, V. I got this. Watch this.
What?
Hey.
Why are you here?
Hey, Regina. I know you're sad and all, but it's okay, because look, I'm emo too.
Emo? What the heck? Are you making fun of me? And my sadness?
No, Regina, I'm trying to relate to you. You're emo, I'm emo. What, PZ9?
You look ridiculous, Daniel, and I don't look like that, okay?
Daniel, this makes no sense. If you're trying to relate to Regina, why are you dressed like this?
Well, you guys said Regina was emo. I'm trying to relate to her. So I typed in emo costume on the internet, and this is what came up.
Oh, jeez.
Do not look anything like Regina right now. This is emo. You look like Elmo.
This is Elmo costume.
Elmo?
And that's the difference. He just puts the L in it.
Nice one, PZ9.
I don't know what emo means.
Daniel, you're just making fun of me and my sadness.
Oh, Daniel, here, let me help you.
You're a bad influence, PZ9.
And you're no fun.
Regina, I'm only trying to help. You don't know who your mom and dad are, but I don't either. We're in the same boat.
No, you're the reason this happened to me, Daniel.
Oh, Regina, what the heck? We're in this together.
No, you're trying to relate to me, but our stories are completely different. You had absolutely no memory, and I did have memories that turned out to be fake.
Hey! You guys, are you guys fighting? Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
Regina, go.
Let's go back to the safe house! Regina!
Where's Regina?
Come on, where's she? she?
Regina?
Let's get her!
Regina!
She's gone!
Where'd you go, Regina?
Where's she?